Hey everyone, in this video we will cover whether to use M code, Python or R in Power Query. So Power Query code, when you're creating steps in Power Query, the default code is M, but what are the scenarios where you should use Python or R? So there are basically three scenarios that I can think of. So one is that you want to do some form of AI and ML models in Power BI, and then that is the case when you want to leverage Python or R. So essentially you use Python and R when you want to do advanced analytics with R or Python. Let's say you've got previous exposure to R or Python and you want to leverage that in Power BI, so that could be another use case. And the third one I can think of is that you want to use existing libraries in R and Python for data wrangling and data analysis, etc. in Power Query. So for example, Pandas is a very strong data wrangling or data analysis library. So you could probably go and use that. So these are the three scenarios that I can think of where you should use R or Python over the mQuery code. mQuery code is fairly easy and straightforward to use, but there are places where or times where you want to bypass writing M code and with R or Python, which are very powerful languages used for data science. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You use it for advanced analytics. If you've got previous work experience and you think you're really good at Python or R, you want to leverage that, or there are some existing libraries which make your job easy, and you've done some proof of concept in maybe Jupyter notebooks or in R, and you want to bring that code into Power BI without making too many modifications. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.